What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn what to do in the case that you are feeling that your WordPress website it's not loading fine. If it takes too much time to load a page, if you request some URL and it loads and the page never appears. How to optimize the performance of your WordPress website. This is what you're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard on your browser address bar, enter with your domain plus WP admin, enter with login credentials, reveal the left sidebar of menus, and hover mouse over plugins and hit the submenu add plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, you're gonna be able to find an empty field called search plugins. Click and type performance lab, just like this, okay? Here is the guide we are looking for by WordPress performance team, okay? This is an official WordPress performance plugin, okay? So it should be more compatible with every theme, with every plugin, with every version of WordPress. So try this before going to paid options, okay? Click on activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. Review the left sidebar of menus once again, and now hover mouse over settings. And once on settings, you're gonna be able to find a new submenu called performance. Click on it. Now you're gonna be able to see a simple panel full of performance features that can really help your site. First one is embed optimizer. You can click on learn more in the case that you want to understand what is this embed optimizer, okay? Let's activate. I recommend that after active, you take a moment to reload your page, to check the site, to see if something breaks, because performance isn't that simple. You need to activate, test, well, activate another one, well, test again, activate another one. I recommend that you activate all of those features right here, okay? At least not the experiments, okay? So these ones I don't recommend because it can break your site with more chances, okay? Now, try to activate all of the options. We have modern image formats, speculative loading, as you can review, we have a couple of settings in the case that you enable the modern image format. We have settings. We can explore the settings as well. And here are image output format, up to you, okay? WebP or AVIF, all up to you. Then you can go back to the settings, go to the performance again, and recheck. We have other options right here on speculative loading, conservative, moderate, or eager, up to you and to your needs. And we have speculative mode, prefetch or pre-render. This is something that you can change, test, do page test on GZIP metrics, on Google Page Insights, okay, on with devs, and again do the tests. Then keep activating all of these options until you find the best features for your site and for your site performance, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, but in the case that you want, there is performance features are installed as plugins. To update features or remove them, manage them on the plugins screen. So in the case that you want to remove some feature, all you have to do is deactivate this plugin. Same for here, here, and here, okay? All up to you and to your needs, okay? Simple, easy, and very effective. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And of course, I hope this helps your site to be faster. See you guys later. All the best.